Hello, I'm Dr. John Cavanaugh, your instructor for AJS255, Handling the Mentally Ill. And in this video, I'm going to explain how you take this course. All right, so go to the home page, which is also the modules page of your Canvas course. And let's take a look at the different modules. At the top, you'll see Welcome to this course. And if you click that, there's information about the course. And also a little video about how you take the course. Going back to the modular homepage, there's the next is about me, your instructor, a little video about me, about my background qualifications. It's important that you know this. Anytime you get information from a source, be it an instructor, a book, a website, or whatever, you always have to ask yourself two questions. Is this person qualified to give me good information, and is this person unbiased? Those are the two keys to getting good information. And this tells you about how I'm informed and unbiased, if I do say so myself. Okay, the next section is an online learning essential short course. The college put this together. It's about, good practices for online learning. Then there's first steps, helping you at SCC, also a college prepared module with information about college policies, tutoring, Canvas, academic services, general services, and the like. Moving along, we now have the Administration of Justice Studies and Forensic Science module, which talks about the AJS, which is criminal justice, and forensic science, which is crime lab and crime scene programs. Also, we'll talk about the faculty, the degrees and certificates, and some information on getting some cash to fund your degrees and certificates. Now we get down to the actual course, and we're going to be doing 0 week. So 0 week is not mandatory. It's the week before the course starts. If you want to get a jump on things, you can, but you don't have to. You don't have to do anything until the week after. But let's see what starting information is. So what should you do? Well, you have to read the syllabus and submit the syllabus quiz. Up here on the left is a link to the syllabus. You can read it, and then you can take the syllabus quiz, which is in this very same module right below starting information. You click that, you'll go to the quiz, you'll take it. It's simple questions. You don't have to study for it, you just have to read the syllabus. This lets us know that you know what's going on and that you are alive and have a pulse. The next thing you need to do is purchase the textbook. Unlike a lot of courses which I give where we find a free textbook, I just could not get a free textbook for this subject area. This textbook is very good, and it'll be very helpful to you. Unfortunately, it costs about $84 new. You can probably rent it for around $50. I suppose if you buy it new, you can probably sell it back, I don't know, maybe $30, I'm not sure. But again, I apologize that you have to buy a textbook, but trust me, there is no book that comes close to this one, and this is about getting knowledge for you. So, and you should order this textbook right away. All right, now, the next thing you want to do is you want to download and print the test manual. Each lesson has a test, and it's an open book test. So the way it works is, you download this manual and it has all the test questions. You read the first test question, you go to the first lesson and you start the readings until you see the answer to that test question and you fill it in on the test. Then you read the next question and you keep reading until you find the answer to that question and you mark it in the test manual. When you keep doing this, at some point you'll run out of questions in the textbook and the questions will then skip to the supplemental information section of that module, which you'll click to and then read stuff online, watch videos, or whatever. And you do that for each lesson. You open up the test booklet, you start doing the readings and watching the videos as you answer the questions. And then, of course, there's the final exam at the end of the course. The final exam, all the questions come from the lesson questions. So as you fill in and submit the lesson test, you'll get a report on what the correct answers were. Change any wrong answers in your test manual, and then the test manual will be your study guide for the final, because every question on the final comes from the test manual. So memorize all of those questions and answers, and aside from being extremely knowledgeable about handling the mentally ill, you will get 100 on the test. So That's pretty much how you do the course. My contact information is here on the syllabus and also on the instructor page. So please contact me if you have any problems. Please contact me with questions and enjoy the course.